Our journey begins amidst bountiful mango orchards, where nature's sweetness ripens under the sun.
Here, sweetness develops naturally, guided only by time and sun.
Skilled hands carefully select the finest mangoes,
ensuring perfect ripeness from the very beginning.
Quality is protected at the moment of harvest.
The harvest begins its carefully managed journey.
Carefully loaded for safe transport. From orchard to precision-driven production.
Each mango is carefully introduced to the production line,
Maintaining pristine quality through automation. Precision washing marks the beginning of transformation. Each mango is thoroughly prepared for its journey.
every detail matters.
Ensuring purity from farm to table.
Skilled hands ensure every mango meets the highest standard.
Emerging pristine, ready for the next stage of transformation. Each mango advances toward its next destiny.
Green mangoes are carefully selected for pickling.
Color and firmness reveal each mango's purpose.
Only the finest mangoes proceed to their next meticulous step. Each mango undergoes precise categorization. Precision engineering preserves quality. Once peeled, each mango begins a new cycle, transforming raw fruit into a pristine base. Purity is preserved through automation.
Every peeled mango undergoes rigorous inspection.
Only premium quality proceeds. Preparation for slicing begins.
The succulent fruit is efficiently separated.
Precision and speed define this critical step. Whole mangoes transform into perfect slices. Consistency is engineered into every piece. Color and form speak to inherent quality.
Slices embark on specialized culinary paths.
In the brine kitchen, preparation begins.
Each ingredient is chosen with expertise.
Flavor is carefully crafted. Monitoring ensures consistent quality.
The brine is complete.
The brining process begins. Each tank holds tons of mangoes.
Every slice is perfectly coated.
From belt to brine, transformation continues. Sterilization ensures ultimate preservation. Only the finest slices fill each jar. Precision sealing guarantees freshness.
An airtight seal preserves quality.
Every jar is meticulously inspected.
Only the highest quality moves forward.
Preparation for drying begins.
Every tray reflects dedication. Racks await transformation. Precision loading ensures even drying. Controlled drying begins. A crucial stage in crafting premium dried mango. Controlled airflow removes moisture evenly.
Drying preserves structure and flavor. Transformation occurs gradually and precisely.
Conditions remain continuously monitored. Advanced systems regulate every parameter. Drying cycle completes.
Perfectly dry mango slices emerge.
Texture reflects careful craftsmanship.
Every batch undergoes rigorous checks. Only the finest slices proceed.
Packaging begins under strict control.
Product integrity is preserved. Nitrogen flushing preserves freshness. Natural goodness is locked in.
Seals stabilize immediately.
Every package meets the highest standards. Defects are removed without delay. Consistency defines production. Each label marks authenticity. Robotic precision optimizes efficiency. Human expertise ensures perfection. Packaging flows toward distribution. Palletizing follows exact patterns. Stability is ensured for transport. Autonomous transport takes over. Storage logistics remain automated.
Environmental control preserves quality.
Conditions remain stable. Products prepare for shipment. Distribution begins.
Handling remains precise.
Cold chain integrity is protected. Shipment is sealed. From our facility to the world. Production never stops. Efficiency is built into every layer.
Consistency is engineered.
Precision supports quality. System-wide synchronization achieved. Design prioritizes flow.
Cleanliness is fundamental.
Volume meets consistency. Production extends without interruption.
Systems remain stable.
Automation minimizes error. Transitions are frictionless. Environmental balance is maintained. Capacity meets global demand.
Every detail is preserved.
Efficiency never pauses.
Parallel systems maximize output.
Final checks ensure excellence.
Scalability is embedded. Control defines quality.
Design prevents disruption. Reliability is engineered. Stability is sustained. The journey continues. A commitment to quality from harvest to delivery.
Production maintains flawless continuity.
Consistency is engineered into every movement.
Mechanical precision supports long-term reliability.
Independent systems merge into one coordinated flow.
Routing is executed with exact timing.
Final verification confirms readiness.
Secondary packaging prepares products for transport.
Robotics ensure uniform packing.
Human expertise provides critical assurance.
Sealing secures product integrity.
Clear identification follows every unit.
Pallet formation follows optimized design. Alignment ensures transport stability. Products are protected for long-distance travel. Autonomous logistics take control. Intelligent transport minimizes risk.
Storage is structured and controlled.
Traceability remains intact. Environmental stability is continuously verified.
Outbound logistics begin on schedule.
Products transition toward global distribution. Handling remains controlled to the final step. Cold chain protection is maintained. Shipment integrity is secured. The journey continues beyond our doors. Production flows without interruption. Every cycle begins with the same care. A fully integrated system in motion. Balance defines efficiency. A commitment to quality from harvest to final delivery.